Ni hao. Hello again. We're at the train station, one of 4 main hub train stations in Shanghai. From those stations you can basically go anywhere in China. I mean, pretty much. You know, they don't go right to somebody's house, of course. But they've got some bullet trains here that go like 180, 200 miles an hour. And the train station's pretty nice. Let me give you a little view here. It's kind of like an airport, pretty much. You know, there's a lot of shops and stuff in here, and they're waiting for the train. And right back here, we're waiting for our train. And we're getting ready for our trip. We're going to the West Lake. This is where China makes the United States look like we're in the Dark Ages. There's our bullet train here. We have another train over here. This is like an overnighter train. You can sleep in the compartments. That's what you see in like old movies, Orient Express kind of thing. Mimi, what kind of train is that? What kind of train is that?
It's a bullet train.
Right, it goes really fast.
As fast as a bullet. It's right
Maybe not
there.
quite that fast. Chugga 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 chugga.
You're so quiet, don't you?
Chugga 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 chugga. Woot woot. Sounds more like a Tesla taking off.
Daddy, this isn't really going that fast.
Not yet.
Going to.
It will speed up. Bye bye, Shanghai.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Mimi's favorite pastime on the train is counting the cranes. There's just so many cranes in Shanghai.
30, 31,
Constantly building stuff.
30.
We're on the outskirts of Shanghai now. This is like, you know, suburbs of suburbs. Shanghai is such a huge city. But this is like the unpopulated area. You can see that there's still a ton of buildings with a lot of people, room for a lot of people. Population's so huge here. You can see cranes everywhere too. And basically, they're building little pop-up cities. You know, they build like 10, 14 or 20-story buildings. It's already enough people just to live there. It's bigger than like one of our small cities like Charlotte, you know. It's already bigger than that. Hey, windmill.
United States.
302 kilometers per hour. It was 301 a minute ago, and we figured out that's 187 miles an hour. So it's cooking. It's cooking with steam.
It's cooking.
You can't even see those poles going by. They're going by so fast. Welcome to Hang Zhou station. A lot smaller than Shanghai station. 2 trains. It's an old school train. That's pretty cool.